What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Lifestyle of Gold TV. If you're new, my name is Candace. I hope you enjoy the content. If you're not new, welcome back. I still hope you enjoy the content. Today we're going to be talking about my lighting setup. So I set this up in my apartment, so unfortunately you can't get this backdrop anywhere else. This is a lovely movie collection that's filled with DVDs and VHS from when I was a kid, so when Blockbuster was still a thing. So you can't get that anywhere else. I'm sorry. But what I can talk to you about are my lights and my packages and some things that I got. So first we're gonna talk about the big boy, the red light. This right here is a Godox SL, there we go, 60 watt, and I have two, so together they make 120 watts. In the back here, they plug in, so you don't have to worry about batteries. So they plug in, it's an on and off switch, and then you can turn up the brightness, and it's a little monitor to show you at what percent you're at and the Kelvin. So yeah, it comes with this, which is detachable. This little cone looking thing. It's detachable. Now, the reason it's here is so that you can put gels on it, which they're not really gels, but they work the same. And you put it over the top. And this is more like a burgundy color. You turn the light on, and it shoots out burgundy light. So, but when I bought this, I bought it as a set, so I bought two. I'm gonna put the link in the description. I bought two. I got the red, the burgundy, I got a white, I got green, brown, and yellow. I don't know what I'm gonna be using brown for yet, but I'll figure it out and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, so this light over here is something I bought a while ago for product photography. Get this out of the way. And this light, it came with two. So this is a newer brand, Neewer. I'm also going to be putting this in the description so you guys can find it later. It's a model ZC1210S. It's a 10 watt, and it also plugs into the wall, and it has this little on and off button, and then you can dim it or make it more powerful. This also came with gel slide-ins. It came with white, yellow, red, and blue. So that's the blue gel over there on that side. So that's how I have my lights set up for my backdrop, for my, to light my backdrop. This light is a ring light. I really just typed in ring light, and I'll also link it in the description. I like the way it's like full for like glamour shots. I have it set right now to like the warmer setting, so you can have it on a blue, warm, or a white, like a LED. And yeah, I just have the one where I can attach my camera right in the middle, and then bang. I can also brighten it up. Ooh, that's really bright. Or dim it to back to where it was, or even lower. Or what? I like that. I think I'm gonna keep that one. Or I could just change it altogether. So there you go. But I like this one because I like the way it hits my skin. And then eyes. Ooh, I'm looking at that light like that. I got a softbox, which also came in a package with the Godox. It's a square softbox. And it actually has an attachment where I can like double the softener. I can hook it on the inside. It's like a white sheet. I can hook on the inside. This didn't come with anything with like any other colors of this little softbox overlay. But I could just put one light, because I bought two. I could put one light with the gels on it. So thing that I showed you before, and make something like that. I'm thinking of making this little tip session a habit, make it a weekly thing. So what I need you guys to do is tell me if you think that that's a good idea. And if you do, tell me what you want to know in the comments. And I will pick one and do a video about it. Alright, so yeah, anything, drop it below. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys next video.